welcome you to the show.
Hey guys, my name is Babe. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on that gorgeous wig you just saw me wearing. This wig is from Nadula Hair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct link to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So in my package, I received 2 packs of the brand new wig caps that are for the bald cap method. I received a pair of eyelashes, 2 spandex lace melting bands, and a custom robe. So the wig that I was sent is a 13x4 kinky straight wig. The length is 24 inches. The wig cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. Okay, so let's jump into this hairline. I love the fact that the knots on the frontal are very small, and that is a very important factor with having your wig look natural after you install it. The smaller the knots, the better. But the knots are not bleached, so I am going to have to bleach the knots of this wig off camera. So to bleach the knots, I'll be grabbing a violet powdered bleach and a 20 volume cream developer. So now that the knots are bleached, I am going to go ahead and pluck some hairs from the hairline. I do plan on wearing this wig out of my face, so I want it to look a little bit more gradual in density. So I will be doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting to get rid of some of that heavier density. Okay, so I'm really happy with how the hairline is looking. Now I'm going to move on to tinting the lace. I have 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of this lace frontal. The second one is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of this lace frontal. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So for this wig, I am going for an updo. So I just want to go ahead and cut the lace off of the back area. And then I am going to prep the hair by adding some BioSilk Silk Infusion hair serum to it. So now I'm just going to section off the hair and start to curl it. I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro curling iron. All right, so now I'm just going to add some of that hair serum to the hairline and then use my pressing comb and go over the hairs just to smooth them out and get everything nice and sleek looking. So now that I am finished curling the hair, I'm just going to spray a medium hold hairspray. Grabbing a pair of pinking shears, it's now time to cut away that extra lace. I'm going to carefully follow the natural hairline of this wig just to get rid of that extra lace. All right, so now it is time to prep my skin for install. I'm going to grab some alcohol and clean off my forehead, and then grabbing scalp protector, I'm going to apply that to my scalp. So I'm going to grab the wig by its side, and now I have a very clear view of the edge of the wig. I'm going to spray a very thin layer of that Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond to the edge of the wig, and then blow dry for a few seconds. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement. I'm going to make sure that the ear tabs and the back comb are all lined up and where they need to be. Then I'm going to put my headscarf on for about 15 minutes to allow everything to set. 15 minutes later, taking my headscarf off, I was really happy with the install results. Really happy with the melt of the wig. Of course, not every wig fits my hairline because I do have a lower hairline. So that just lets me know that I need to add some baby hairs where my temples are. And then I'm going to put my headscarf on again and then finish styling the wig. So I was already too excited about this wig. I absolutely loved it. As you can see my excitement about this video. I don't get excited about many wigs. The ones I do get excited about, I have to share with you guys and tell y'all that it's a diamond. This one is also a diamond. It seems like I've been getting back to back diamonds, y'all. This one is high on the list though. It looks so natural in person, you guys. As far as I'm concerned, this is growing out of my scalp. Like, you can't tell me it's not. And I love the fact that it's like literally coming down my back. The texture is perfect. The density is perfect. The hairline is melting so good. It's just all around everything. It's everything. I love it so much. Now, the kinky straight textures, they're hit or misses. If they're a hit, they're a hit. And this one is a hit. Sometimes they're misses. Like sometimes the kinky straight hair can be too dry, too brittle. It could be too poofy and too big and not look natural. I've had some bad kinky straight hair, but this texture was so soft. It moved great. The density was perfect. It was just so, I don't know, like I really had nothing negative. I have nothing negative to say about this wig at all. And now I'm just grabbing a small barreled curling iron and just curling the hair just a little bit. Okay, so for the updo, I'm just going to brush all of the hair upwards, put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to make sure to leave down some sideburns as well as some back baby hairs as well. And because the ponytail is already split in half, I'm just going to grab one half of it and bobby pin it down, and then grab the other half and then bobby pin that one down. And now I have like a high bun going on, which I absolutely adore. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from Nadula Hair down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and subscribe so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.